Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and happy holidays. I'm about to take out my 1 month old passion twist. Yes, I've had this in for a little over 1 month and I thought to make a quick styling video before I cut them out, because over the course of a month I found myself wearing some really cute styles. So I'm like, why not just share that before you chop off this hair, because I feel like I should keep this in forever, but 1 month is a long time already and I just have to take them out because my hair really needs a wash and a deep condition. So it's about that time. So let me get started. I'm gonna be starting with the very classic, the bun. Like, I believe everybody knows how to do a bun. Now with the bun, all you have to do is just sweep up your hair, like grab one. Yep. Now you need a rubber band for this, if not more than one rubber band. I'm gonna take this round again. Like, this is the easiest style ever. This is a ponytail. You know, just your hair tied up. Now let's go for the bun. Now for the bun, what we'll do is, once you have your hair in the ponytail, bring the phone around. This is a ponytail. You sort of like spread the hair out, and you begin to wrap, like you're trying to make a donut. Like wrap, roll, 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 roll. Roll, 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 roll. Now that's my bun. If you wanted, you can always put an extra rubber band to hold this in place, but I don't need that because I'll be taking this out now. Buns ever classic. So take out. I don't want to break the rubber band because I'm still going to use it. Next, I'm just going to be doing a side swoop to the front. How do I do this? See. Grab some hair. Over here, one. Grab about the same amount. Okay, let me put this in front. About the same amount over here. So, 1, 2, right. Bring this one this way. Remember, this is coming this way. Bring this one like this. For this style, I'm not using a rubber band. Just take these two together, like you sort of like tie it together. One. If you notice, I'm doing this towards the front. Tie it together, and all of the remaining hair push to the side. This was like my favorite of all the styles. I really like this. See? Don't laugh at the back. So we got this out of the way, so pick out. Ooh. Now the third style I'm doing is gonna have like a fringe. It's similar to what I just did. That's kind of different. So I'm gonna have the back hanging, I'm gonna have a fringe in the front. So this portion again, like I just did right now, one right here, another one right here, that's two. Now this two, instead of tying towards the front, I'm gonna take this back. I'm gonna take this to the back. So 1, 2, cross on the back, thighs again. So now that's tied, right? It's tied. Tight. You see this one right here, one side, I'm just gonna flip it to the front. Tight, and you can spread out if you wanted, and easy, no rubber band needed, and it's gonna stay in place. Okay, now the fourth style is gonna be the same style, but I'm gonna make the back into a bun. So we have like a bun and bang. Like we have the bang, oops, put this back on, my bang fringe, whatever you want to call it, in the front. Then this remaining hair in the back, all of the remaining hair in the back is going to be going in a bun. So for this, I'm going to need my rubber band. So, oh goodness, I need this one. I'm going to leave my fringe hanging, then grab all the hair in the back. Pull through the rubber band, because remember I'm trying to make a bang here. know, just before I make the bang, if you want your ponytail hanging, you can just leave it like you have a hanging ponytail and the fringe. So spread out like instead of wrap again. See. Okay, I'm trying to take this out. You can take this out. Next is my favorite but very classic corporate look, like classic corporate look. What I used to when I used to do this style originally, other styles were sometimes because I like having color in my hair. But there's sometimes when in certain situations, like in certain environment, corporate environments, I don't really want all of my color hanging all about. So I stylishly cut down the way you see the color. And how do I do that? I tuck in the color as much as I can. So let me just show you. It just involves me like 1, 2. For this one, I do not need any rubber band. So just 1 right here, 2. Take this 2, tie in the back. 1, 2. But I'm gonna be tying this loosely. Now this is gonna be loose. Loose, drop it, tighten a little but not too tight. So when I start, I'm gonna fuck all of this area in. Pull up one side. Take some more, pull it up, tuck it in. Take the small more side, take it up, tuck it in. This last bit in here, I might just tuck it in too. Okay, now this is not very neat. I can feel it like it's not very neat, but you do get the idea of the style. This is also a way you can wear your hair when you have like a corporate dinner, you know, and just sticking some, you know, some cute little accessories, you know, hair pins with little stones, and a pretty dress, and you are so good to go. This is like an updo. And oopsie. And last but not the least, I'm just gonna cut the hair in a short bob. I know some people don't like to do space buns and all of that, but you know what? I'm over 30. I'm in my 30s, so I feel like I'm a little too old to be wearing a style as such. Like, sorry, no offense, but it's coming now. Just imagine me in my age wearing space buns and like, and then you have another one right here. It is so not age appropriate. Sorry. So the last thing I'm gonna be doing now, this is my favorite part. Okay, before I go see those happy, let me see, pull out my individuals. Okay, maybe all of these are not individuals, but okay, because it would be such a shame to cut my hair. If not for the fact that I really want to take this hair out now, like it's been more than a month and new growth and all I need to wash and do condition, I would have loved to wear the style shirt. So we're starting where I love this. Feels good. Ooh. Ooh. Come on now. Okay, let's move this to this. Oh, I can cut this. I can cut this too. Because my hair's not this long, so. Oh boy, I need to see. this is the last style before my final take down. Thank you. Finally. Who does not like taking out crochet styles? Like, boom, it just cuts. Mm. Mm. This is why I like crocheting my braids, you know, because the take out is so easy. I just cut, not like having to measure where my hair length is and blah 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 and worrying about chopping off my hair. But this one, no worries. Let's move this one aside.